Good morning, sir. Introduction. My name is Kelvin, NIM 21104173330, Class M1. Here I will about wrote the text about Bussines philosophy at the James Maker Company. With my like the Smuckers in has the big gods. Based the makers, the reason the success and the grow in the jam. Jelly, research and the Malay the industry the world hard for the anyone the about that statement. The total James the jelly SLS for Smuckers is the 1 billion years. By first the casing and the surprising jelly giants craft. Hence and the wells the Smuckers the has a 37% share of the total jam and jelly market in the leading manufacturer in the industry. The jam maker company, beside the early life, Ohio is my family run operation in 1897 from Monroy. Smuckers decided to bring out the extra income by making a apple hit and the apple the butter the from Careful monitor the quality of the products. Personally, signing the paper date for the as the container of the butter. Now, I all of the Smuckers the pens or the contrary. Or the vision to quality remains the key element of the Smuckers business. Soon after the Jerome begins his the business of the members of the Smucker family became involved. The tax the most the world the earning first and the back in the company is the 1969 is the Smuckers family designated to take the help the company public. The recent 30% of the stock selling 25 to 25% to introduction on the pension of fund and the rest individual investor. Paul Makers, the safe excessive and the great son of the founder, and he is the son of the not the taking their number one position the James and Jelly market of the country. They now and the most of the four the companies as the friendly of the cosmetic competitor the makers. Most also respond and the new the first of the Arwans and the qualifying concession is the USA as the will the strength in the consumer tastes. Party of the makers the strategy of the 14 keeping on one tap in the introduction of the new products. Recently, makers and the had the number successful new the interest in the into the market. Simply with no pieces of every file force the an extra sugar added has been a will received. Smuckers is the also happy with the sales of the first pack strawberry versus first available for only for few weeks a year. The Smuckers the first the scientists of the information the Alkins Smuckers the sensing of the coming of the R tier N was the taste company is the Gem Jelly introduction the Pontianak Informational one interferential product label is the was the fish the company of the whose reusable lids in the jars. Smuckers often has a special introductory group. This gets together the success ideas. All ideas know a meter how aggressive and the aggressive and negative condiments is the meetings of profit, quality, integrity, and customer relations make up the foundation of the Smuckers company philosophy. Quality conveys earning or sales the growth come what the after. Paul the Smuckers personally with the thank you, not the all new shareholder. He also suggests that the tail friend to three Smucker products. Smuckers resources of to process a finishing time during the television to show that the containers violency or the sex skinnesses. It's one to main is the whale sum. All the fun fashion night make Smuckers also the pays the forces because of this Smuckers is the only company to carry the agricultural departments to US grade or description all its products.